welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix today we have Spice. Now, Spice came out to answer to a few people, RT, and she spoke of Danger and her baby father as well, Nicholas. She was saying that, people tend to get a wrong conception of her and they keep talking things that are not really true about her. Basically, she's saying that, she's gone through so much and she's been in the dark about situations with her baby father and Danger, and that um, she didn't know until a couple years ago that things transpired between her baby father and Danger, allegedly. And she's saying that, it's a whole other thing. From what she heard, it was grape, and she thought that was what it was, but now she's hearing a different thing, and RT Boss, basically, she's saying that, he came out with the story as well, and she's saying a whole lot in this video. She's saying that basically RT allegedly came out, basically to take her down, or to just bring her down, but that didn't happen. So guys, go and catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. Also, my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful, beautiful birthdays today. Happy birthday. I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity. And for all my other lovelies out there, thank you. And I wish you guys a wonderful, wonderful day. And remember that anything that is done in the dark will one day come to light, no matter what it is. Sometimes we are confused on what is done in the dark, and sometimes, people will give us a little bit of this and a little bit of that. We may know the truth, and we may not know the truth, but it will somehow surface in some way. Sometimes it will come as plain as day, and other times we will have confusion in what really happened. But guys, as I said, things will come to light. So guys, remember to live your life in a way that's pleasing to you, and that will not cause any disagreements between you and anyone. And if you can't live that way, try do the best you can and stay out of trouble. Have yourselves, guys, a wonderful day.
But the man, they say the man a dirty man. So all want make it look like say, oh, I make me switch my mouth, me I go give you all of the details back to back, how the argument go. Because I switch my mouth. I switch the story for me. Every time I hear the story is a different story. It happen a different way and it say a different way. So I wanna switch the story for me. Why me have to switch my mouth? Because I don't understand why something so confusing. So like me say, Lal was the one where go tell people say, him fuck Danger. When him talk say him fuck Danger, what woman come back, come say, oh, me can't take this no more. You hear them say this and that and that and that and that. It's when the woman present the situation to me, what them suck me upon me, you say me no want them suck that the confusion, be confused. Me not used to that TikTok fuck me, I'll try with me do. Jesus Christ. Where was I? When we reach now, when them when Lal go out there and go spread the information that try to bring me down now, to make me look bad, like him a hype on me for say, oh, my fuck your dance. I remember say Lal talk, It's not Danger me hear it from, it's Lal talk. When Lal talk, and me confront Danger, I'ma say, say, them a say this, whatever. I'ma say, you're saying no. Member says hearsay. Remember, no say me love listen to hearsay. Member says hearsay. I'm take the hearsay. I'm go ask Danger. I say Danger, why this them I say this and whatever. Danger look at me and say, I would have never do that. Why would I do that? Oh, me fi do that. Me couldn't do that. me leave the situation alone. It was so confusing to me. Me myself never know what happened. Me start and telling her say I was not in the room. A danger in the room, a canary in the room. I was not there. So because me never know the truth, me leave it alone. Me I tell about from 2016 to 2017. 2020, which is 3 years after, that is when Danger sent me a DM and reach out to me and said she need to tell me the truth. 3 years after. 3 years after, when she come and say she need to tell me the truth, remember say me done hear all kind of things, you know, and say me love listen to hear say, but all kind of something was presented to me. When she come 3 years after and she attack, she tell me what she tell me. And here was the fuck about the situation. You see if Danger did just come out, come talk the truth, all of this would not go on, you know. All of this would not go on. But we're going to get to the bottom of it. I just want to explain something to you, because the RT me I get to. Just hold on. You see, when she come and present the situation to me say to her, say, me and your woman, at the end of the day, if you know that the man do to you, if you true him deserve to go a blood clot jail, and that me tell the girl. Me I'll tell her, say, if you go report it. You see, Bamson, as she tell me, 1 week after me say RT go live, because me no know if me no know how she here say them did not go live, go talk that, you know, because I remember say 3 years. Hey, mighty God, them playing on my face is the bestie, but listen to the story. She come tell me in my DM say she have something to tell me. She want to reveal the truth to me. And when she reveal the truth to me, bam, so when me look at RT that come and I say, hey, la call, we're gonna bust it up and spice. Hold on, me go play it because I'm in a foolishness. Because me see RT boss depan live. What day ya with Danger? When me best to them a cuss me and I say, where you go over there for? Because me want go in at them backyard, go face them, for sure them say, me no afraid of no, and I lie the whole on I tell. Member say, oh, the story a come out is RT come out, come talk, say, lal, fuck Danger. The same RT we go back on the live and I say, she get raped. Me just want to know watch the plot where the people them a plot up. Just hold on, man. Me want to know see the big plot. Oh, you flip this now. Talk to me best to know me no know if you use this. Oh, you flip the screen. If you want to see that phone, yeah. Me rascal. Me need to join somebody if you come help me host this. Flip camera, you dirty blood clot, yo. You can read. We could start here, so. I will make sure screen record them, yeah. What go on now? I saw female be strong. What is? Wait, that's how it end. See it, yeah? This is...
Big man, lal. Alright, where you say no? You better pay your baby mother now, right? Where you say? I hear some argument on people that say, Hold on, I'm hook you up on the speaker. Hold on. Me put up on the speaker because I want you to verify it good. Hold on, lal. This is Spice baby father call me now up on the live. Story get hot. Hold on. Lala call. Yes, you dirty blood clot, yo. You dirty blood clot, yo. Alright, where you say, lal? No, me say some allegations say me a suck Danger pussy. You understand what I'm going to do, so? But what your woman says?
The story.
They'll find us somewhere later. Alright, say what you want to say to the people. Say what you want to say to the people before you go away. What you want to say to the people? Yo, I want some clarity upon that thing, yo, because me mix up on me and Danger pussy and everything like that. Yo, listen, man. Yo, you mean that? Before Danger, of course. But then you pussy something that, no, it don't work. Lal, the people them spice. No, look more. Alright, alright, one.
Repeat this, hold on. Because I don't take me for idiot, you know. I just want to follow the story. Somehow they on the TikTok attack and you never know how the story go. Follow the blood clot story.
Spice young go suck on the mother.
Yes, man, we're gonna suck with mother, but you don't worry yourself. Just worry your blood, don't worry your blood clot self.
Alright, so what you want to say to the people? So what you want to say to the people before you go away? What you want to say to the people?
Yo, I want some clarity upon that thing, yo, because me mix up on me and I'm doing a post on things like, yo, listen, man. Before the age of course, but then you post something like, no, it don't work.
Lal, the people them spice.
Yo, look, come on.
Alright, alright, why?
Oh, you flip back around this now. Hold on. Once we establish, say, RT Boss is the one we come out on the internet because 3 years before this, I already confronted Danger and she tell me say a lie. So me did be no. So enough time when we not talk about, every minute Spice stop talk to somebody. Every minute Spice somebody in a problem like me a bumbo clock. Listen, man. 3 years before that, me know, I never say nothing. Me I hold it down. I now wonder why me and Danger don't work again. I me never come out, come talk it. It's RT, come out, come talk it with the baby father because them did that try to hype. And think say them a go bring me down. So them swear say them a bust up something for me. You know how him a run and a hype. La call, la call, la call, la call, la. Listen to it, blood clot it there on YouTube. Me I'm gonna screenshot the part so you can't hear it. So when RT come out, come plan up with the baby father, if come bring me down and say, lal, fuck the woman. Why RT dep on internet? No, back with the woman, which is Danger. Cause remember Danger slow enough. She not so bright. So she a blood clot idiot. She dep on bomber clot. TikTok live with RT. Like she don't remember how the fucking story go. Say RT did blood clot bust it up. Panar. Say fucking canar fuck her. Okay, so the whole I want to team up now because I don't know listen to the song, you know. Me sing the song, I don't know listen it, you know. Me say me fight for me work and them get highlight. One of them fuck me man right under me side. The same people where used to talk bad about them. All of a sudden, everybody tight. Uno na bumbo clat listen. Uno just depend TikTok a chat. And uno na listen to the song. And uno na follow the story. And some of them don't really know how this go. You understand? Uno don't really understand the situation. Uno just a talk. So back we talk. After RT Boss come out, come say, Canar, fuck Danger. That's what grape Danger. I'm not even know say grape, pineapple, peach or plum. Me never know say me have to something like so go so. Remember say me a living at the embarrassment, you know, because I act like say, oh, Spice bagger, Spice mix up, Spice this like say me and a human. I told you guys that the name of my album is called Mirror. And I'm going through a reflection. I have to speak my truth. And a lot of people are talking, oh, so why you not talk that business? This is my business. It happened to me. So at the end of the day, if somebody come confront me right now and say, oh, we want to do a bio on your aura, whatever the city name, them are going to do a documentary. It a go in there. It a go talk. It come like the man where did say something where happen can't nobody happen. It can't do bother happen. It happened to me. It's my story. It's a part of my journey. So while everybody have them side of the story, I have to speak my side of the story. Because you have the lie, you have the truth. And I was not there, so I don't know what is the truth. So all right then, when the incident happened, me I say, Danger the whole way a woman at the end of the day. Me not go run go pick up for the man. Me hate the man. Everybody knows I hate the man. Me not like my baby father. Who no know that? So me never shun Danger and say, oh, me never believe her, whatever. What leads me now to not believe, when the incident happened, and you tell me, and then couple days after, RT come out with the incident, me I say, oh, me I hold that incident here for 3 years. And right as RT ready to come say him about disgrace me, you run come tell me quick before him disgrace me. Because remember, RT did a call whole heap of people for plan up against me, including my baby father. And my baby father used to take the baby because through me and him left. But a whole heap of people, RT, did a call, and the people, them a call me and I say, how would a man name RT? I tell me, say, give me this money if bring you down. And I tell me this and I tell me that. So me don't know if danger did happen for hear the call or the conversation. But me I tell you, say, right in at the time when RT go live, he say, I go bring me down, danger come tell me, say, a grape. All right, me take the story, say a grape. When the story was so big, I would go live and me talk and me bring down Canara and I say, if you rape, you have to go to prison. People start calling me and I say, me an idiot. People when know all the story go start calling me and I say, me an idiot. Remember, I know, people did they roll me and know say, them a ear say, danger and the man grape or fuck or whatever, I know. Them say them never hear about no grapes. The Stacey expression come and she say, 1 year before it bust out, she hear about it. The rest of people, them when did they roll me, them did hear about it too. Everybody hear say, danger and the man did a fuck. And nobody never tell me, and me alone never know until 3 years after. So when we go live and the whole mix up and ray, I saw everybody a call me now when I come talk about. Me did know, you know, me did hear and not that me hear, and this me hear and not that me hear. And me just leave it and make bygones be bygones. Me just leave it and me make bygones be bygones and me make peace reign. A year after it happened, she's danger same one turn round and come join a competition. Me don't know if you remember when she do a dance competition and me put her in the competition. And when me put her in the competition, she end up win the money for the competition. For sure, you say me never have her up in my heart. Me never have no heavy heart against her. Me make she enter the competition. She end up win the competition and me don't even remember how much money she did get if at 200,000 or all the money go. So me never have her up in my heart. Me never have her up now nothing. She win the competition and at the same brother where she have, where she not like, cause she not even like the brother neither. The amount of complain she complain about her own brother. At the same brother where she have done the fight her off for the money. Them hungry belly blood clot. The brother nearly kill her over the money when me make she win. Hey, uno dep on TikTok attack and uno no know nothing, you know. At that bun me, you know. Me say uno dep on TikTok attack and I give uno opinion on how Spice and the girl get grape and bumbleclad pineapple. And uno no know nothing go. Uno no know nothing go. Uno no know nothing go. Uno no know the story and the journey. The brother nearly blood clot danger. For the little money when me give her when she win the competition. And this is after. So what I say? What I talk say? What I talk say? And I talk oh no. Me, Grace Hamilton insensitive to what? Are you crazy? Oh no know me, man? Are you crazy? Me stand up down at some fest with danger stand up behind me when me give rebel a shovel. I'm a DJ and a freestyle and I say any man rape me chop off. I want to know man. Wanna get on the story on the facts together first before we even address this because we don't know the entirety of what happened and what took place. Now again now uno out there I say oh Spice change her mouth. Me change my mouth, you know why? First thing Danger tell me say the situation with she and Lal happened the very first time I went on tour. Then she changed her mouth and she said it happened when we were writing Indicator song. 2 different times this now, you know. First of all, when I wrote Indicator song, I remember it like it was yesterday. It was a night when I could not sleep in my bed. And we were on tour. And 3 a.m., me call her and me say, Danger, you asleep? And she said, no, she not asleep. And me say, you know, say me have one idea, me write one song. And me say, come in my room now. And we did it till morning light. At JP come tell we say, go pack up on a something flight. A time for go away, we have to go up on flight. What you talk about?